So largest common prefix. So let's understand the problem before we come to the solution part of it. And it's a lead code question. It's easy difficulty level, but it's commonly asked in interviews. So what's the question? The input string will be given. You will be given an array of different strings like flowers, flow, and flight. FL is the largest prefix. That is, from the starting, you can see F is common in all. Yes. L is common in all. Yes. And then O is there here. O is there, but here I is there. So FL is the common. And if we are given dog, a race car, and a car, then nothing is common, right? This starts with an R, starts with a C, starts with a D. So nothing is common. So how do you go about solving it? When I consider this problem, then this is my solution. So let's look at the solution. It's a Java solution where class solution and let's go about understanding the method. Public string longest common prefix, and you're given a array of strings, right? So first what I would do is, what if it's null, or what if that dot length is 0? So that's a negative condition, but I need to return blank. And if only one element is there, then return that first element, because array length is only one. There are no two things that I can compare, so then they would want the first thing to be returned, right? Then comes the case where there are multiple arrays, right? So that I have to sort it so that alphabetical order will be sorted, right? And then what I would do is pick what is the first string element, array element, and store it in first. And similarly, last one is strs.length -1. That of strs is going to give me what is the last one after sorting. And then I can even print it out, so I come to know what it's going to give me, right? And then I have a string builder. String builder is SB equals new string builder. What this does is, here is where I'm going to build up my result. I'm checking if int I equals 0 to I less than first dot length and I is less than the last dot length. So none of the string should be, out of bounds exception should not come. And then I plus plus. If first dot character at I is equal to last dot character at I, then I'm going to append first dot character at I to the string builder, else I'm going to return the sb.to string, because until here whatever has matched has already got appended. Now just return this. Where there is no matching, you just return it, and it exists out of this method when the return control goes. Else if there is more matching and we reach end of for loop, then I'm going to return sb.to string here. So that's my solution. So when I execute this problem, got accepted and submit. So yeah, it got submitted. So that's how you can pause and see it again and again until you understand. You have to handle the negative test cases also. It's very important. That's how people expect in interviews like Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft. These are the companies, they expect you that your code should handle all test cases. Also, you must not provide brute force solutions where I iterate over all the strings and find the matching. Is it matching in this string dot first one, second one, third one? That shows that you don't know arrest or sort, and so that's also a way where they eliminate candidates. So having proper strategy while you solve the problem is so much important in an interview. And also you cannot keep quiet and just keep coding, you always work in a team, so you have to speak your mind out as you code. You have to tell, this is what I'm thinking, and speak it. So in a lead code problem, you have to keep solving multiple, so that when you have a question on the interview and hey, I've done this before, and then you will be more confident in an interview, and hence solving more lead code questions will help you get better at it and crack the interview. And that's, trust me, the most satisfying thing. You'll get some 10K or good salary job, so where your all efforts will get paid off. So take time to understand each lead code problem, and then prepare for the interview well before you go. Thank you.